After some recent questions about using FollowMe, I thought I would demonstrate putting a molding around a case piece using this Canterbury case that I drew for Thomas Moser a while back. So to begin with, I'm orbiting around to the back of the case, and I'm going to bring in a molding component that I'd already drawn, and I'll open that component. It's placed at the top corner of the case, and I'm going to add a path for follow me. This is done inside the component so that the molding profile has something to follow. Now I select the edges. I prefer to pre-select the path, then get the follow me tool and click on the face, and presto, the molding is complete. Shortly we'll split this into separate sticks, but in the case of this piece, the same molding is used at the base, so I'm going to copy this down to the bottom. I've grabbed a bottom corner of the molding and using inference brought it down to the top of the lower case, and then I flip it along the blue axis to invert it. So the molding looks alright, but if we wanted to actually get a useful cut list to include the molding, we need to split it into sections, into its individual sticks. So at this point I'm drawing the miter lines in on the horizontal faces. Those aren't created during follow me. I'll just do that at both corners real quickly with the line tool. And now we'll go back, and I'm going back to the left side of the case, and I'm going to drag a left to right selection box around the molding at the left end. That only selects the part of the molding that falls completely within the selection box, and we'll give it a new name to distinguish it, and make sure we check replace selected. And presto, we have a component there. Now we'll do the same thing with a left to right selection box around the front piece of molding. Give it a name. Make sure that box is checked to replace the selected, and we have that. Now one more left to right selection box, and we'll just delete the right side because we won't need that. And I'm going to correct the face orientation. I just right click on the top face and choose orient faces. That just reversed that green face on the end of the molding, and the opposite end is the same way. I'm going to copy the left hand molding, and then we're going to flip it along the red axis and move it into place to make the right side, and we're done. This is a nested component now for the molding, and because it's the bottom molding was an instance of the top, they both are complete. And that's that.